Good day everyone, I'm Miel Angela E. Madigma, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management, second year. So now I will discuss to you the joint ventures. Joint venture. A joint venture is a business undertaking for a particular purpose. It may be organized as a partnership or a corporation. So it means two or more they may be corporation. Persons or one individual another corporation that's possible as a joint venture. Then whereby two entities, two persons agree to contribute. So their property only for one purpose, for one activity lang. Even one time, big time, one transaction. Kasi mas long term ang partnership or yung corporation. Pero ito, kung transaction lang, yung magpupul sila ng resources nila for this particular project, it may be considered other joint venture, okay? So now, we have two types of joint ventures, which are the exempt joint ventures and taxable joint venture. So ngayon, for purpose of income taxation in joint venture, will be classified as either joint venture engaged construction, undertaking, or joint venture engaged in petroleum, coal, geothermal, and other energy. Exploration with the government, that's the one kind, and the other kind is joint venture others. What do I mean when I say others? So other than these two, which are the engaged in the construction, and the engaged in petroleum, coal, geothermal, and other energy, yan yung others. Now, there are two point of view to consider here in the point of view of the joint venture and in the point of view of the joint venturers. So why do I need to mention this? Well, because if it is a joint venture engaged in construction, undertaking, or petroleum, coal, geothermal, and other energy exploration with the government, that joint venture is exempt from income taxation. So that is an exempt corporation or exempt entity. But who will be paid for the income tax on the income of the joint venture than if the joint venture was an exempt? So the joint ventures will be report it as an respective gross income from business. Ere-report siya ng kanya-kanya ng mga joint venturers in their respective income tax returns. How about naman joint venture others? The joint venture others is taxable like a corporation. So therefore, how would the joint venture treat their share in the income of the joint venture taxable like a corporation? So, depende to kapag ang joint venture is an individual. Di balik tayo dun sa depende. Depende kung 10%, depende kung 20%, or 25% katulad nung kanina. Or kung ang joint venturer is another corporation, kapag domestic corporation, then it is subject to its exempt from income tax because the dividend siya from domestic received by another domestics is exempt income. Pero kung ang joint venture is resident foreign corporation, exempt income as well dividend from domestic received by a resident foreign exempt income. Pero kapag non-resident foreign corporation, the gross income from all sources with the Philippines, 30% final tax or 15% under the startups and sparing rule. Thank you for watching.